I'm going to make 5 allele bedrooms with a blender. Model the details of the room. Wow! Version 4, due to the add-on you use. I use 4. Import drawings for parts. For now, I applied the transforms. Yo! This is what I will create now. This is a drawing of the skirting board and the border. Duplicate the drawing of the ingredients. I built a huge collection. Move the created diagram. Make the figure itself the sound of the object. I don't use the left side, so I deleted it. Separated the perimeter. The key is broad. The roundabout was changed to the roundabout. I made an Abaki collection and put it in. I also created a collection of circles and included it. Select the following and the swivel opening to adhere it to the wall in the plan view. When on the gas screen, I won't be able to upload it. Switch to Itami. I lose sight of the object, but I find it in the filiad. Yes, on the wall in front. I moved it. Organize the vertices. The results of the CAD drawings. It's full of vertices. I'm glad it was square wood. I made the molding a perimeter, which increased the hassle. First, delete the duplicate vertices just in case. Invite is the top. Right-click on the vertex with the monster. A line remains. You can erase the vertex. Hurts. Make the entrance. Clean up. Merge at a distance. We will understand the vertex. The vertex of the preceding mouth has been arranged. Put up a face. I'll make a point. Appropriately push out about one circle of the room. I will also push out the split edge. Extrusion complete. Yo, what's up? Suddenly, the one-click splitting that we are going to use here is called Memorandum of Add-on Dedicated to Cutting. I made it a slide video in the style of a presentation. I'll buy it. Based on this, we will disconnect. Cigar, we will start construction from. Cut at the bisector of the corner and extrude it from the cut surface. It is possible to rotate it along the wall. along the wall surface as in actual construction. I'm going to cut and paste one by one. Also, like this room, wall corners are acute, or bisecting an obtuse angle. If you snap the guide crane into a bisector in edit mode and cut it in object mode, when you succeed and... It may be an operation error, but I was scared because there were times when it fell. I guess I'll understand my habits and get used to them eventually. So, cut at the intersection of the wall surfaces. Sense to move the 3D cursor to the corner of the wall. Click the Free Guide Brands button. A guide to becoming a cutter. Create a plane and adjust it to the angle of the back wall. X-axis rotation. Breaks no intent. Z-axis rotation. Keyboard all, raz, 2, 3, 5. Check the angle from directly above. Split wider side button cutting. Since the cut parts went into the revolving mouth collection, go to Habaki collection. Change expose 2 to left width. Closes the cutting surface of wheat. Shigara 1 has been deleted. Select Shigara. Rotate according to the back wall. Angle confirmation from voice. Save it here. Click the Create Guide Plans button to conform to the stomach wall. Write a guide for training camp 90 degrees. It's a grid by guide button. Fail. Launch 44. Open the file you saved earlier and restart. If the y-axis was rotated 90 degrees, the data in the opposite direction remained, so this time rotate 90 degrees. It cut nicely. Don't forget to save. Moved to Habaki collection. To cut the left edge, make a vertex in the corner of the wall. Move the 3D cursor. Edit the mode. In object mode, click the Free Guide Plans button. Rotate the y-axis 90 degrees. Cut with Grid by Guide button. Save and put it in edit mode and close the cut surface.
Yes.
Before that, I made Habaki a Roku and Obaki. Close it with. I also blocked the right end. Delete the unused data.
Yes, vacant A.
Using 2, make a left wide garment. Move the origin to the 3D cursor. Z-axis rotation along the left wall. Numerical values are measured in CAD and input. Read the floor plan again. Karaku-kun directly above. Click the Create Guide Plans button. Rotate the shoe shaft 90 degrees. Rotate the Z-axis rotation to the angle of the back wall. Split the double cut with guide button. I checked my mouth and closed it. Go to the collection. Wide range. Change 3 to left width. The left habai that was originally attached was changed to the right habai. Move the 3D cursor to cut on the front wall. Click the Free Guide Plans button. Rotate the x-axis 90 degrees to cut. There are those left who don't need it. Return with Ctrl-Z. Z-axis 180 degrees rotation. Cut off. Select the device and cut it. Cut the decision plane. A new left habakiji made of cutting was completed, since I turned left. The left flashlight I put on a little ago is the left flashlight F value. Left habaki. I took the second one to the left. I filled the back cut surface. When I re-uploaded the front side, as expected, it had a strange side. Once you delete another face, I deleted it because there was a strange aspect inside. Yes, I refilled it. View the full width and confirm that 3 sheets are pasted. When disconnecting, a lot of accumulated data is deleted. When I checked the face orientation, it was all backwards. Flip it in edit mode. There was data that I didn't need outside, so I deleted it. For the door part, stop cutting out, which is fucking inconvenient in a blender. I decided to pull it out with Boolean. Create a collection for Orion within the Habaki collection. Make a cube for Boolean on the door part. Yes.
Edible.
Set modifier boolean to boolean. I let it be applied. Upload the other side. Make sure it's closed. The direction of the face.
Damn.
Circumferential edge. I will make. The method is the same as the skirting board. Turn the screen upside down. I worked with the plan raised to the bottom of the perimeter. Yes. Create from right. I put it out because it was created in the baseline collection. The circle is finished. The baseboard is also displayed and completed. For those in the vicinity, all the incisions were blocked. Let's append to the created room. Prepare the necessary collection. Append from file. Import data or a folder list will appear. Click Collections. Collections made through 44.4 work will now show. Choose a member. Click Append. Will be taken in.
I did it.
I was inside, John, so I let him out.
Yes, proceed.
Yeah, using Sabachi Boolean.
A small note.
Add it to my hair collection. Close the vertical tools fitting wall. Push the outside wall into the inner part and seal it. Under the temporary door, there's a wall that shouldn't reveal the back. I'll fix this later.
Yes.
The window is now sealed. Flip it over to the back side. The left side seems to be double. Remove the face. Modify the left side wall. Eliminate the surface edge. Reapply the bottom wall layer. Unknown leftover lines need fixing. The facade of the outer wall vanished. Hide the other walls once. Remove the remaining sides. Select the outer vertices. I resurfaced it. Now we have the shape of the room. Download other materials from the Blender kit. Click the Send to Blender button. Since the board's orientation differs, switch to the Shading tab. Adjust the angle to 90 degrees. Set the wall material. From the Blender kit, use this plaster or plaster-like material. I want to dye it lavender. I added a color lamp and colored it. I also added a hexadecimal color code to darken the white color. The back wall texture shifted. The left wall also flowed. The ceiling is, since it's partially painted, match its finish with the wall. I don't know if the color is on at this stage. The perimeter appears to be colored. I decided it was made of plaster and made of the same material. Design as suitable.
Yes, continue.
Fix the wall material. Fix walls using UV editing. I tried noodles with smart UV projection.
Divide parts.
I do it separately, but it's faster to do it all together.
Yes, continue.
I rearranged it on my face. The left wall is hide internal walls. I tried to recreate it from the plane. The material settings were okay. Remove original internal walls. Display everything and check the ceiling you are interested in. I put the light that was there from the beginning into the room and turn it on. The top has the same texture.
Yes.
Change the lavender color to lilac. Set the material of the harness. Blender key provided material that seemed fitting, so I downloaded it. The color seems mismatched. I added an RGB curve and changed the color. It blends better than the original hue. Set remaining tabs too. Change the border to the same color. Brought it closer to the image.
Yes.
Generate by AI.